Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cinematic frame in Capcut. To begin, open your project and navigate to the aspect ratio settings. For that classic movie look, you'll want to select a wider ratio, typically 21:9 or 2.35:1. This immediately gives your footage a more professional and expansive feel, laying the groundwork for your cinematic masterpiece. It's the first crucial step in transforming your regular video into something truly special. Now that your aspect ratio is set, let's add those iconic black bars. You can achieve this by using Capcut's overlay function. Simply import a black image or use a solid color background, then position and resize it to create the letterbox effect at the top and bottom of your frame. Ensure the bars are symmetrical and cover about 1/8 to 1/4 of the screen height, giving your video that authentic widescreen cinema feel. Color grading is where your cinematic vision truly comes alive. Experiment with Capcut's adjustment tools to fine-tune saturation, contrast, and brightness. Consider applying a subtle color filter, or LUT, to achieve a consistent aesthetic, like a warm, golden hour glow or a cool, dramatic tone. These adjustments can dramatically impact the emotional resonance of your footage, making your scenes feel more professional and visually engaging for your audience. Finally, it's time to export your cinematic creation. Head to the export settings and choose a high resolution, like 1080 pixels or even 4K if your original footage allows. Select a high frame rate, such as 24 or 30 frames per second, to maintain smooth playback. Always review your video one last time before sharing to ensure everything looks perfect. Congratulations, you've crafted a stunning cinematic frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.